welcome to Taiwan Mandarin with Mavis. What did you find the most challenging or difficult when you first started learning Mandarin Chinese? Many of my friends who are learning the language told me they struggle with the tones. We know Chinese is a tonal language. Each word has an assigned tone or pitch that goes up or down. In Mandarin Chinese, there are 4 major tones, the first, second, third, and fourth, that we call 一声, 二声, 三声, and 四声, plus a neutral tone that we call 轻声. The same pronunciation of a word but with a different tone can mean 2 completely different things. So it's very essential to be able to distinguish and also say the tones correctly in order to be fluent in the language. Let's talk about the characteristics of the tones first. So in this video, let's practice listening and saying the tones over and over with me. With these tones, the more you practice and listen, the better you'll be at them. The first tone is described as a steady tone without being raised or lowered. Listen to this. Ah, ah, ah. The second tone is described as a rising tone where your pitch goes up. Listen to this. Ah, ah, ah. The third tone is described as a falling rising tone where your pitch goes down and up. Listen to this. Ah, ah, ah. The fourth tone is described as a falling tone where your pitch goes straight down. Listen to this. Ah, ah, ah. The neutral tone is a light and de-emphasized tone that's shorter in duration and also is not as stressed as the other 4 main tones. It sounds a little like the third tone, but it's way shorter. Listen to this. Ah, ah, ah. So the 4 main tones plus the neutral tone together sound like ah, 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 ah. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Li, 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 li. Li, 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 li. Lu, 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 lu. Lu, 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 lu. Low, 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 low. Low, 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 low. Let's try some more. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. T, 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 t. T, 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 t. Tu, 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 tu. Tu, 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 tu. Tie, 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 tie. Tie, 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 tie. Toe, 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 toe. Toe, 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 toe. Try to grab a couple words and practice each tone with those words like we just did. The more you listen, the better you'll be able to tune your ears and mimic the tones. Good luck! Subscribe and turn on your notifications so we can continue learning Taiwanese Mandarin together. Bye, 下次见!